Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, today we work on a 2007 Toyota Corolla with a 1.8 liter engine. Did the starter on this thing. These cars are known for losing starters. I'm actually not going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to give you some pointers on what you need to do to get this thing out. It's really not that hard at all. I see guys online on YouTube taking the fan shroud out. And yes, you do need to take that out if you don't have a special tool, but I'm going to show you what special tool you need. It's not really special. It's just a ratchet that can articulate in a specific way. So, right out of the intake, right here, your starter is right here where the laser is. You need to take this bolt off, which is right here. The laser's on it right now. It's a 13 millimeter. Then there's a plug right behind it that you have to take off as well. And that is right there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. Let me see if I can get a better shot for you. So there's the bolt. That's a 13 millimeter bolt you have to get off. And then this clip, just you press the clip down, or to get this connector off, there's a clip on the bottom, and you just get it off that way. Not really hard at all to get to. But there are two bolts that hold this starter on. One is right there. That laser's on it right now. That's a 14 millimeter bolt. And the other one is right there. Okay, so the one that the laser's on right now actually comes in from the battery side towards the engine. This one right down here at the lower goes in from the starter side towards the battery. So you need to remember that. Kind of a funky setup. So to get this thing out, you undo this bolt on the bottom. You unbolt the bolt on top here. You want to take off your negative battery terminal because when you have a power line going right to the starter, and you don't want to short anything out. So make sure the first thing you need to do is go ahead and take the negative battery terminal off so you don't short anything out. So the tool that I'm talking about is a Stanley extendable flexible ratchet. Picked this up from Walmart. Let's see if there's a part number on it. Yep, there is a part number. STM-T72418. Picked it up from Walmart. And what this allows you to do is articulate the head at certain positions. So, with that ratchet in a 14 millimeter socket, I was able to go down here, get this bottom bolt loose by coming in this way and articulating the head of the ratchet at a 90-degree angle. And the top one was a little bit easier to get off. Once you get it free and clear, you actually need to rotate the starter 180 degrees so that it'll come out. It'll look like that when you pull it out, and then the solenoid will be on the bottom, and you slide it in right here. Right through here is how you get it out. So backwards, and the solenoid facing down is how you get it out. Alright, doesn't take long at all to do this job. Probably took me 20 minutes. If you don't have this tool and you can't get clearance, you're probably going to have to take this fan shroud out. There's a couple connectors here. There's plastic clips in here that need to come off. They're actually probably pretty difficult to get off because, well, that one actually just broke. You could actually just cut these if you wanted to and just zip tie them back if you're in a hurry. And then you have to get this coolant bottle out of the way as well. But if you have this ratchet, or you get this ratchet, I highly recommend it. I've used this thing for a long time. Very good investment. I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick it up. Really not that hard. But if you need to, go ahead and take this fan shroud off if you don't have that tool. But there you go, guys. Some tips and tricks on how to get the starter. In the description below, I'll put a list of all the year, makes, and models that this will actually cover. But there you go, guys. Alright guys, one thing I forgot to show you, and I apologize. If you got to come in here and take the fan shroud out, the fan shroud only has two bolts. You have one 10 millimeter right there, right in the center of the screen, kind of right near below the radiator cap. Then the other one is right here on the driver's side, below the radiator hose. Then you have your electrical connectors. This one is already broken. You can see right there. There's one right there. You cut that and just zip tie it up again if you wanted. and then you can pull your fan shroud up and out.